Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the heater nut that's responsible for securing the heating element in place on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The heater nut secures the heating element to the dishwasher tub and helps maintain a watertight seal where the heater passes through the tub. This allows the heating element to stay firmly in place while heating the water and assisting with drying. Over time, the nut can loosen or become damaged from heat, vibration, or corrosion. When this happens, the heating element may shift or leak at the tub connection. If the heater nut fails, you may notice water leaking from the bottom of the dishwasher or reduced heating performance. Replacing a damaged heater nut restores a secure seal and keeps the heating element properly mounted. If you need to purchase a replacement heater nut for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 13/16 6-point socket or adjustable wrench. This video features disconnecting electrical components, so please disconnect your appliance from its power source before beginning. This repair requires your dishwasher to be pulled out to access the bottom of the appliance. Before attempting, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to power, the drain, and the water line. Every installation can be different, so check out our dishwasher removal video if you need help or clarification with your removal. Not fully understanding this process can lead to you potentially damaging your appliance or kitchen. With the dishwasher pulled out, carefully open the dishwasher's door and remove the bottom rack and set it aside. Close the dishwasher's door and carefully lay the unit on the back of the appliance. Locate the metal heater nut holding the heating element in place. Disconnect the electrical connection by firmly pulling it away from the appliance. Using the 13/16 socket or adjustable wrench, remove the metal heater nut from the heating element. The old heater nut can now be discarded. If you need a replacement heater nut, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. Before installing the heater nut, be sure that the metal plate on the bottom of the dishwasher surrounding the element mounting hole is clean and free of any potential buildup. This metal plate acts as the ground for the element, so the metal heater nut needs to make a clean contact with the plate. Once the metal plate is clean, start the heater nut by hand and fully tighten it with the 13/16 socket or adjustable wrench. With the heater nut fully secure, reattach the heating element connection. Be sure both connections are secure to the heating element and then carefully tip the dishwasher back onto its legs. Replace the lower dish rack and reinstall the dishwasher. Your appliance is now ready to use. Well, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.